wanted to stay. When I saw you yesterday, I'm not wasting your time, I'm not playing the games. I see you. Who knows the secret tomorrow will hold? We don't really need to know. Cause you're hearing me now, I don't want you to go. You're hearing me now, I don't want you to go. Maybe we're perfect strangers, maybe it's not forever.
I met so many famous YouTuber and Instagrammers. So awesome! So many habis event yang kedua kan, tak tahu je lah I memang nervous, anxiety, awkward semua ada.
Maybe we'll walk away, maybe we'll realize we're only human. Maybe we don't need no reason. Maybe we're perfect strangers, maybe it's not forever. Maybe the night will change us, maybe we'll stay together. Maybe we'll walk away, maybe we'll realize we're only human. Maybe we don't need no reason why. Come on, come on, come over. Maybe we don't need no reason why. There's so much we can't explain. Maybe we're helping each other escape.
Okay, kami dah habis dah event. So nak balik sekarang, semua orang dah balik tau. I dah sampai lambat. Ni last ambil gambar, lepas ni balik. Thank you to this person. Sebab semua footage yang dalam vlog ni, semua dia yang ambil. So, thank you babe.
Reason why. Come on, come on, come over. Maybe we don't need no reason why. Come on, come on.
This mark the end of my event, beauty event aka sebab lepas ni dah kerja, dah start kerja, dah tak ada masa dah nak main. It was amazing experience to me. Sebab bila lagi kan kita dapat peluang macam ni, so boleh rasa 2-3 kali tu pun dah rasa bersyukur dah. Saya nak nangis sekarang sebab jumpa ramai gila orang yang I adore. I'm memang fangirling, tapi bila jumpa mereka tak tahu nak cakap apa.